Serbian power. Oh man, I'm so pumped for today. My spoiler that I ordered months ago from Ivan Tampi is finally on the way. I can't wait to see it. It shows on truck for delivery, so I'm kind of like a puppy waiting for its owner to get home. I'm pacing back and forth in front of the shop window here, waiting for UPS. But can't wait, it's gonna be awesome. Long wait, but man, was it worth it. The amount of quality, you can just tell the pride this guy puts into his work. Look at that polish job. And then even on the edges, he's somehow painted where the seams would be for the carbon fiber. Like, just next level perfection. Wow, I'm impressed, I won't lie. We'll get it mounted on the car here. I just opened this one too. This is the main bracket that holds the chassis mount, and he's even taken the time etch his name in there, and you can't even see that, it's behind the bumper. Just blowing away the packaging. Like, we're talking loads of peanuts and tons of home wrapping. Super fast. Oh shit, yeah, boys! Serge, you like Mexico? You're Mexican, right? Yes, I am. Yes. Okay, we're back out here. I'm just waiting for Serge, and my buddy Dustin's actually coming out. He's got a sick S550, makes 1500 of the tire. It's got a 2-speed glide in it. It's a pretty cool car. I'm gonna actually race it with this thing and practice some social distancing with him, I guess. Not today though, there's a snowstorm and I decided to drive my rat rod, which is on the other. It's snowing, I should probably take Leah's SUV. Or I could take this and have a little fun on the way. On the other side of the shop over there. Not a well thought out plan, was it? Made it, not sure how. There actually is a gate out there. Anyway, let's give her beans here.